Hello and welcome to Music Professor. My name is Ben and I'm your trombone instructor here, and this is our first lesson on the trombone. And so during this lesson I wanted to just give you an idea of what you can expect during lesson one. We're going to talk a lot about the instrument, parts of the instrument, how to put it together, how to maintain and care for it, which instruments to consider to purchase. We'll talk about mouthpieces, which mouthpiece to consider, and then all the equipment you'll need to maintain and care for your instrument properly. First, let's just talk a little bit about the history of the instrument itself. The trombone hasn't changed much in its construction since it was created back in the 13th, 14th centuries during around the Renaissance period. It always looked pretty much the same. It was originally called the sackbut, which means a push-pull, which refers to the slide movement of pushing the slide out or pulling it in. And it was used primarily in sacred music, which was to accompany church choirs. There were 4 different kinds of trombones. There was a soprano, alto, tenor, and bass, and it played along with all of the vocal parts of the chorus. As I said, since then it hasn't changed much, but the uses of the trombone have become very versatile. Today, trombones play in symphony orchestras, jazz bands, marching band, and concert band, the kind that you'll be playing in as you get older. And it can pretty much do about anything. That's one of the reasons why I enjoy it so much. I get to play in all these kinds of ensembles, and it's very fulfilling. So enjoy the rest of the lesson on trombone. We'll get down to some details now.